Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day. So today I want to bring you something that some of you might be looking for right now to help protect the car, especially if you don't have a garage like this. It's a car cover. I've reviewed one of these in the past, but I got a good one I think you guys really like if you're looking for one. It'll do the job. It's easy to install, protects the paint. And if you don't have a garage to store your car in, it might help, especially if it sits for days on end. So this particular one, it's by a company called Coverado. They make all different size ones. This is the XXL. So it goes by the dimension as far as how long the car is. And this car is long and the cord is pretty long too. So what you get with it, you get a nice cover for it. When it's not in use, you can roll it up, put it in here. And here's the cover itself. It's nice and thick. It's waterproof. Has a soft lining inside so it won't scratch the paint. Really nice quality. Heavy duty. Has straps on it, so if it's windy, you can strap it down so it won't fly away. It fits this whole car perfectly. So the cord is a little bit shorter. The Civic shorter than that. But you want to measure the distance from the back of the car to the nose, depending on what car you have, and then order accordingly. And the link's below. Check the link out to know what size you guys need. They have two different color ones. They have the black one here, and then they have a beige. These are really nice though. Nice quality. Like I said, they'll do the job, especially if you're storing your car for maybe a week on end. It's a good way to keep it clean. So let me go ahead and show you this installed. So as you can see, it's a nice fit. Fits the whole thing. Has the reflective lines on it and on the mirrors. They fit perfectly here. Right around the mirrors. Again with the reflector, so if it's dark, people can see it. Real nice, and of course this is a wrinkle. I just took it out of the package. But it goes on really easy too. That's the thing. It's like using these things, you don't want to fight to get it on. It's really easy. And here's the straps, if you are going to strap it, that they'll go to the other side of the car and they'll connect to those. I'll show you how those work. It's really easy. But as you can see, really nice cover. Fits really well. So if you're in the market for one of these, definitely check them out. I like them because it won't break the bank either. So here, this little buckle, you'll take this off. This part. This is how they come shipped. And you'll connect it on this side to the strap. And then you simply put it under the car and then it just buckles back in. And you just have to do that one time, of course, when you first buy these. Really easy though, like I said. Unless it's really windy, you probably don't need to strap it because it cinches on the bottom, so it should be good. Same thing here, and it's either labeled front, so you'll know which direction they go on. It's really nice. I do like it. And the thing I like about it the most, check this out. It has a zipper here. So if you say you put the cover on and you need to get in the car and you don't want to take the whole thing off, they thought of that already. So you can just zip this portion up and then enter in the driver's door. So just like that, you can get in there, do what you need to do if you forgot something. Like I said, it's a really nice quality. And the nice thing is too, on the zipper, if you look at this, there's a lining behind it too. So you're not actually pulling the zipper against the finish of the car. So that's well thought out too. The cheap ones, you'll be scratching the car as you try to zip it down. So like I said, really nice. And this is a long car. So all you have to do is measure it. And there's a span. This one, I think, is 190 inches to 200 and something inches as far as the length goes. Like I said, it fits it good. If you have a Civic, you want to get probably a different size, of course. But just measure the car. It's really nice. It'll do the job. One big tip, of course, is when you put these on, you want to put it on a clean car because you can scratch the paint if you have dust and stuff on it. So it's kind of common sense, but just want to point that out. So if you wash your car and you're storing it for a couple days, you don't want to get dirty or rained on, put this on it. You know, that's, I think, the best thing. If you don't have a garage and you just washed it, you put this on it. Say it rains for 4 days and you don't have to drive it. put this on, your finish will stay nice and it's waterproof. It'll be perfect just like you washed it after. So all your hard work's not for nothing. So I just want to share that with you guys. Again, it's a really nice quality one. Again, check the link in the description if you guys are looking for one. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.